So I am back, and in this video today we're going to be doing a hygiene type of video for you dolls today to take care of your kitty cat. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, so so the items that I have here today are provided by NutraBlast. That is the company's name. So this is the little card that came inside of the package. It says, "We love you, NutraBlast" at the bottom. So on the back it says, "Thanks so much for taking the time to review our products. We can't wait to work with you." So this is the little card that came on the inside. So the first thing to this little kit to get started, and basically what this is for is if you have any BV, or which is bacterial vaginosis, a yeast infection, if your pH is just off from anything you have eaten, drinking, anything like that, you can use this product. It's not necessarily only if you have a yeast infection, it is just to balance your pH level. Even it can be thrown off from the most simplest things to what you have eaten or drinking or anything like that that you put into your body that you consume, you know, sex, anything like that can throw off your pH. So the first thing to this kit that you actually do have in here is a feminine pH test strips, and it says the pH is supposed to be from 3.0 to 5.5. These are high quality, results in seconds, easy to use, professional grade. So yeah, this is the little box that it comes in, if you can see that. So I have already taken one out because I do have two of these. They sent me two. So this is how it looks, and I hope you guys can see everything there. On here, it tells you your normal pH to an abnormal pH. So your normal is from 3.0 to 4.5, and abnormal is 5.0 to 5.5. And this will show you the color scale of what color this paper should be whenever you test your pH out, so you will know what your pH is sitting at. So 3.0 is a bright yellow gold color, which I guess is like the normal color of the paper, and then 3.5 is a little bit more green, like it's still yellow but it's starting to turn green. I would try to put like a chart on the screen so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. And 4.0 goes into a really light green. 4.5 is a little bit of a darker green. And then 5.0 and 5.5 are the deepest of the green color. So starting with the yellow up to the green is normal to abnormal pH. So basically what you would do is you just test your pH out. I wanted to wait until after my cycle came to test this out, because after a cycle, you know, that's like the perfect time. Everything has been cleansed out and all of that. And the way that you use your pH strips are that you're going to tear a strip off, and then you're going to use a little piece and wipe it on the inner vaginal wall, and that will let you know what your pH balance is leveled at. You can continue to test daily whenever you are using the product to know how well it is working for you and that your pH is going more on the normal scale. So this is the product here that you will use to fix your pH and balance it out. So this is the Boric Life Boric Acid, 600 milligrams, all natural. What it says here is it supports pH balance, and this supports vaginal health. In here you have 30 vaginal suppositories. I do like this product because it is more clean and it's not like a cream or anything that's going to be messy. So that is really good. I will show you in just a second how it is. So on the back, I just want to read it to you. It says Boric Acid Vaginal Suppository. The active ingredient in each suppository. Purpose: boric acid powder, 600 milligrams, supports healthy vaginal pH, vegetable capsules. Okay, so the directions are to insert one Boric Life suppository into the vagina, preferably at bedtime, for 7 consecutive days. If the symptoms persist, repeat for a week. In severe cases, use one Boric Life suppository every 12 hours. It also says ask a doctor before use if you are pregnant or nursing, if you have vaginal bleeding, soreness, ulcerations, nausea, fever, or chill sensitivity in your lower pelvic or abdomen, sexually transmitted disease, STD, or pelvic inflammatory disease, PID, to be used as a contraceptive or to prevent or treat sexually transmitted diseases. Sexual intercourse should be avoided while using this product to prevent further irritation or infection. So also you want to store this item in a cool, dry place and keep out of reach of children. This is for vaginal use only and not for oral consumption. Okay, so I just gave you all the tea on this product. Also with this, you do get the suppositories as well. So it just makes this, you know, a lot easier. It's not all messy and everything like that. And like it says, you do want to use it at bedtime and put on like a panty liner or whatever. So that way, if any mess or any spillage comes out before you can go to the restroom, you know, you'll be protected and you won't mess up your panties. Okay. So this is the actual suppository here. I will just open it to kind of show y'all how it works. But this is the suppository here, and you get several inside of here. You can wash it and reuse it if you would like to. And also on the back, it kind of shows you how to do it. If you don't know how to insert it, but it's pretty similar to like inserting a tampon. If you've worn a tampon before, you would do the same thing. But on the picture here, it shows them opening it up, putting the pill onto the suppository, and then also laying down to insert it. If y'all can see, I will try to show y'all there. But you know, you can do it just like you would a tampon. I don't have to lay down to put a tampon in. So you know, this is how it looks. It does have cotton on the inside, which I always just put back in there. And then here you can see the pills on the inside, and there is a little fresh pack in there. So on the actual pill, it does have Boric Life written on it. And the pills are actually really cute. They're like a pearly white kind of color, and then Boric Life is written in purple. I'm trying to hold it where I can see if I can show y'all, but it's really small. It's just like a little regular small pill capsule, so it's probably kind of hard to see. But basically what you would do is you just want to pull this back and kind of just insert it in there, and then when you go to insert it, you are just going to push it up. Like, I don't know if y'all can see, but whenever you push it up, it is coming up out of there. I'm kind of pushing it up and down so y'all can see the pill coming out. So basically what you would do is just push it up to insert it into yourself, and then you're going to let it sit all night, and it's gonna do its magic. So yeah, it's really simple, really easy, and this is great to balance out your pH. As it says, you can do it for 7 days to get your pH balance back to normal, but I would still go ahead and test out your pH balance just so you can see, you know, the progress of it getting back to its normal state. And if you have any more severe issues like a yeast infection or bacterial vaginosis or anything like that, then you can use it more so every 12 hours, like twice a day, so that it really tackles the issues and everything like that. So yeah, I hope that made sense, and I hope you guys learned something today. And it's nothing wrong if you have a little bit of a yeast infection or bacterial vaginosis, or even if your pH has been thrown off, because it's really easy for it to be thrown off from the soap that you use, from the things that you eat, drink, and all of that. Anything like that, your pH balance can be thrown off. It's just really easy for it to happen. So yeah, this is a great product to get everything back on track. And I really like that it is a pill and it's not like a cream, so it's more easy and, you know, neat and not so messy and everything. So yeah, I really like this product. Check it out down below. I will leave any discount codes or anything like that linked down below for you dolls to check it out. And if you have questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.